Hey everybody, this is Sheep. I'm going to do a quick video about my line lock system here. This is it. It's called the Burnbox. You can find it online, just Google that. I'm just going to show you how it works, how to use it. And the controls I'm going to show you are the same for all the 2005 to 2010 Mopars. So it's operated all the same within those years. So it's really easy, you guys. You plug this little box here into your diagnostic port, and then it's ready to go. So how you use it, you're going to operate it with this cruise control stick here, and all you got to do, hold it back. You're going to hold it back the whole time you're doing your burnout, so that's how you kind of enable and disable it. So you hold it back, then you pump up the brake pedal, build up some brake pressure. All that pressure is going just to your front brakes when you're holding this back. Then of course you can just bring up the revs, give it throttle, do your burnout, magic happens, smoke out the back, good stuff, warm tires, and then you let this off when you're done. That's it. Real easy, real simple. Pull this back, pump up the brakes a little, mash the gas, or however much you want to use the gas, and then let it go, and the brakes up front will release and you pull forward. That's it, that's the whole system. Great for the track, blah blah blah. I'm gonna cut to a video of me doing it on the street now, just so you can get a feel for how it works in practice. Alright, so here we go. Hold back the cruise control stock. That stuff will start blinking. Pump up the front brakes. Then let it rip. And that's it. One thing I will say about the Burnbox, it says it's supposed to turn off 30 seconds after the car goes to sleep on the website. I don't know if my car doesn't go to sleep all the way or what. This one doesn't like to turn off. As you can see, my car's dead. 9.6 volts. Kills it pretty much quickly. So, don't leave it in overnight.